Buddy, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, we're back with another stock talk video. And for today's stock talk video, we're going to be talking about the stock of Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla has been on a rampage. At the beginning of August, it was trading at $750 and has jumped all the way up to all-time highs at $1,243 before quickly pulling back to where we're trading now today, around that $1,000 area. The stock of Tesla has been talked a lot about recently just because of what Elon Musk has been doing and selling his shares. So, Tesla, what is going to be happening with this stock moving forward? Is it a buy now? It looks like it's at a good discounted price as it's down almost 20% in the past week. The stock has completely plummeted off these highs, and we got to look to see whether or not this is a buy right now. Taking into consideration these couple lines that we have drawn here, four to be exact, our top line, which is our resistance at all-time highs, this red line right here. The next line right here is at $900, which is our first support area. Our second support area at around $780, and our third support area at $550. These support areas are very, very important when watching a pullback on a stock because as you can see here, the last time we had a rally on this back end of it, we had the rally, it stabled out for a little while, and then had a pullback, tried holding, and fell even lower and fell even lower until that next support. Now this support was tested twice and bounced both times, which caused this nice area of support to be formed. But taking into consideration what we know based on the last time that it ran up, we have to watch and see what happens when this stock pulls back now. My first area that I'm watching for a potential entry point for either a short-term position or going in as a long-term position if you're not already in a position yet, or adding to a position, whatever it may be, the first area I'm watching is around this $930 to $900 area. This is a juicy, nice area for the stock. If we could see the stock break below 1,000 and hold below that $1,000 area, it's going to be a struggle to get back above. So I think we'll hang out in this $900 area for a little while. And you know what? I think you could start a small position here. If we happen to see a huge sell-off in the tech sector and overall see more selling off from Tesla, which is very, very likely in my opinion, just based on the last time we've seen a huge rally, it does pull back very hard, tries to recover, and pulls back even harder. This stock, I think, has more room to fall in the short term. I'm a very, very bullish outlook and as long term, so I see this great buying opportunities for the short term. So short term, first buying area would be this $900 to $930 area. The second buying area, if we break through $900, that'd be huge. I think we see another huge pullback if we do break below 900. Then our next buying area would be in here in this region, which is around that $850 to even $800 area. Now, I think this is where we basically will cap off and try and hold around here. I don't see us getting below $900, but if we do, and there's a possibility, I think we hold off of this $800 area for a little while and stable out. There's a potential that we could see us even drop even further. If we do, then we drop back below this $800 area. I'm buying a lot more down here because this is our overall directional SMA line right here, this 180-day line, which is overall direction of the stock. This is a huge confirmation to look into buying some potential shares because of the fact we're trading near this support line. And then if the stock really just completely dies and falls all the way down to this last support area at $550, I say that you go in hardcore if you really, really are interested in the stock of Tesla. I think that it'll be deeply, deeply undervalued. I don't think it'll ever probably get back to this point because at that point you already have so many buyers that are up here. Okay, and there's so many people bought in at these times that they're going to be already trying to hold it in this area. So I think that this $800 to $900 area is going to be the sweet spot where we see the stock hold, just because there was so many buyers adding for a long-term position, adding for a short-term position here that are looking at it like, hey, this is at a good deal again. We watched it, what happened when it went to this point last time. Let's watch and see if it holds, and then let it rally again. I think that we do see it hold out in this $800 to $900 area. If we get down to that point, stable out for a little while, and then we start our next rally again. Could be over the next few months, could be over the next 6+ months. It could be a very long time still we see another big rally. But you know what? Tesla stock has been on fire. I think it's going to have a strong rest of this year. I think that we can probably bounce in this $800 to $900 area very, very soon. And then once we see a bounce, we'll be back over to 1,000, 1,100, 1,200 and breaking through to all-time new highs very, very soon. I'm bullish on Tesla. That's my outlook on it right now. Take into consideration these support areas. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's what I'm looking at with Tesla in the short term and long term for position adding. Draw out these areas in your stock chart. Let me know what you think in the comments below about this setup for what I got going here with Tesla. Thank you guys for all the support in my videos. Subscribe here if you're new, like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you guys later.